Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan has directed the officials of food safety to initiate action against stores selling tobacco. He made this remark during the opening of state-level Tobacco-Free Youth Campaign 2.0 organized by National Tobacco Control Program of National Health Mission, State Health Society in association with Directorate of Health Services held today at Imphal Hotel, Shanghai Hall. Director of Health Services Dr. O. Sanahanbi and State Mission Director of National Health Mission Dr. M. Dinesh, among others, attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan said that people use tobacco despite knowing its impact for a variety of reasons. He also emphasized the necessity of organizing awareness campaign on the impact of using tobacco. Minister further urged people to stop using tobacco and foster a tobacco-free society.
Tobacco is the addiction. You heard the season of the addiction to get a normal head. Season the calm on the city habits and low tone of Metamata. You were Naha with the Sinazi, city uses the Handanamata, Satanata, with the families into the with passive smoking and swear. Otherwise, if we can prevent the use of tobacco and the Sumaki, we use about 40% tobacco products and food safety component of the rules, the Manipur for drive and not much of the young and farm shops take a man to the Raya, taking you or people take a man. So the products ban the total products that way. I don't know, meeting on the sun for a